2, 1. I know you first. 2, 1.
Wagwan 876 until family. Wagwan 876 until family. We're back again today. It's me, your island girl, and we have
Keke and Rushell
from RK Squad. Time with Rushell here again, and
we are doing the balloon makeup challenge. Yeah, Raquel come up with this idea. We hope this work. So let's see how this go, guys. Keke don't know nothing about makeup, but we have all the tools down here.
yeah,
So we have the balloon. We got some makeup down here. So the challenge basically is, but before we go into that, please go ahead and like,
share, comment,
and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell. Is it over here, so?
Yeah.
Or is it over here, so? Don't ask me which
Oh,
part.
over here, sir.
If it red, just don't make it turn. Don't turn one different color than that red.
green.
Yes. Yeah, I should say green.
I'm gonna pick a name first, right? And we're going to try to draw each other on the balloon using makeup. We're gonna speed hurriedly.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
This is a time challenge, so who can do this in 5 minutes? You have to blow the balloon. You have to put a face on the balloon.
I don't have the timer.
Make it up. The timer is some over this, so. And let's start by picking a name from my hand. Or should we do rock, paper, scissors? No, pick a name. Pick a name. Pick a name. Hope I'm gonna get more than name.
To get one name, put it back.
Why?
I got Rushell.
I got Raquel.
Rushell to Keke.
Alright then, so I'm gonna do it again because Keke picked her own name. Bang, bang. No. Bang.
We said no.
She got
Watch
one
out,
on
you
you.
get more. You know what? Keke
Here.
again.
Here.
Alright.
Here. This is fine. So I'll do Raquel.
Me with a Keke.
Me don't think it's safe for Keke to draw me still. Right? But let me try to get
3,
comfortable. 2, 1, go.
Rushell up with Keke. I'm looking at it.
So we're making a face, guys. How am I gonna get Raquel?
So from a pencil there.
You never take up your tools, miss.
You know, fear look permanent.
Don't put on your face.
Raquel, an artist, you know. I'm an artist, and it's not fear.
I use computer to draw, not my hand. I'm very handicapped with my hands. But yeah, try. What's that now? The pine dollar, bro. What is that for?
On enough fear look pan people too. Listen.
No, I look for Keke here. And try to get up the ear in a
5 minutes I'm there, so I draw like some out forever. Guys, I think I'm gonna regret that Keke draw my name. Yeah, I just think I'm gonna regret that.
Hey, this way at the pencil make this look there. It's not me dragging. The pencil is the first thing to draw. So, making
You backside around, yeah? Listen, them teeth, them a look on the things, they're not supposed to look.
why did I look like? What is the concealer you have to water?
Yeah, shit.
You don't know you clean up the brows with the concealer like what Keke said earlier.
No, for makeup, not that thing.
No, it's going to your eyebrow though, so this is an position.
Alright, so. Raquel don't know if you do makeup, but Rushell has show her. This is how it is done. You know what would be very bad? If me day here so I do this and then you just hear pound.
What I like Keke's nose. I know I like the little, the part of your mouth, whatever they call it. And then your nose. Yeah.
Guys, I'm not gonna rate this. I'm gonna tell me who did the better job. And you don't say me when me think for the buyer. Any one of me.
So I'm going to keep it wear too much. Much makeup because it's a style, right?
Alright. I can have some. I want nice little part in your saga here. With some squiggly ear. You know how that go.
I'm trying to blend out Keke makeup, but it's not working.
See, me not gonna really just push it because me don't want to move for. So, I'm gonna do that a lot. Ain't no girl here have look black or look brown. See if I look brown and nice. And 5 minutes yet. 5 minutes is a long part.
The time on the stop. Stop it up for you.
Guys, the time I forgot off now because look on the time for the phone. We're going to do a one. I don't want 2, 3 reveal if you do.
Okay.
Okay then.
Keke, you done?
Keke if you done and Keke teeth in.
Oh yeah, come.
Much nice body. Alright then, so we're gonna do a reveal. 3, come over Keke. 2, 1.
Oh, so time I just go off.
So time I just go off, guys. Oh, turn your face properly.
But that's a Russian name.
Oh, win, guys.
No,
win. Oh, win. On a vote, guys. Vote. Oh, win. Zoom, guys. Honestly, this, who is highlighted? Me. Why the little brown something are too much still. Gotta cancel a look enough, but we are the 1-1 person. Go up, Raquel. Your turn.
So guys, today,
Sell a product.
yes, today we have Keke over there, and this is Keke, you know. I have our little ear up. Ooh, the light. Anyways, so this is Keke hair up top, you know. Keke has her hair in 2. Keke is supposed to wear too much makeup. She's a child, as I was telling you before. So, you know, I get a little lipstick. I try to get her face a little concealer and, you know, straighten her nose a little bit, but it never work out too well. Is that what I'm saying? I'm never do up her eyebrow because she's a child. As I say against her eyebrow, them not the shape. So this, guys, is not a very good representation of Keke, but this is what I got.
Alright then, Keke is up next. Go ahead and sell your product.
So guys,
She can't get up.
I'm gonna say, this is Rushell over here. This is Rushell over here.
I'm gonna put my face here.
Look at baby here.
Is this me?
Baby ear right here, catch up in our one.
Let me see baby ear. Let me see the baby ear.
And guys, we should have on our lipstick and our concealer. I'm not trying to straighten her nose, but all the way. Okay, guys. Now look at clip.
Alright guys, so I got Raquel. You know, no, come up here, so Raquel. Come up here, so.
This girl
Put
ever
your
try
face
to sell
here,
me
so.
as this balloon.
Put your face on that side and look at this, guys. if you not see the resemblance, guys, please go and see an ophthalmologist. That's what they call it. Optician, all of them type of people there will fix eye, cause this is Rushell right here. Bomba, what is smile? Hey, look there. I'm me win. Is anyone not say I'm me win? On the bad mind.
Guys, on the comment down below who win.
Comment.
Team Rushell draw Keke.
Team Rushell draw Rushell.
Team Keke draw Rushell.
Keke, me not like her drawing Keke, cause they don't look like me.
She draw the clip.
Guys, let's get a thumbnail. Keke still a fix
The balloon.
the unfixable.
Listen, I like the fact that she even draw the clip when I Rushell turn your admit them to the clip. See, she even draw the clip. On the comment down below, do you want Keke win?
No.
Keke even draw the clip.
Biased people alone are gonna say Keke win.
Guys,
don't talk.
on a full comment with Team Keke, because Keke won. Keke pay attention to detail. Keke draw the clip.
Listen, guys, if you don't like this challenge, guys, go ahead, leave us a like.
A comment.
Sure.
They're gonna leave us a share.
In other words, share out this video.
Subscribe to 876 and chill. Yeah, I don't know if we're not over here or if we're not over here. So 6 and chill. Watch this.
On the
If we're not
check
halfway,
out Time with Rushell.
Time with Rushell and Keke. The name of the day in the description down below, guys.
Yep.
Please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe down below.
Bye. Bye. Love. Rushell.